The latest public art installation by Benedetto Bufalino takes a playful approach to the everyday street signpost. In Lyon, France, the artist transformed a simple traffic direction signpost into a skateboard, complete with wheels and a handle. The sign was inspired by point signs along alpine ski slopes, says Bufalino. Bufalino's Le Poteau Cédés Le Passage skateboard turns a street signpost on its side before adding wheels and taking it for a spin. He offers a reflection, a game, on the functionality of our living environment by distorting or hijacking the objects that surround us through design, art, or architecture. Benedetto Bufalino has been enriching public space with an enchanting and entertaining appeal for several years, turning ordinary objects and ideas on their heads. Whether you're looking for a distinct piece of handcrafted art or just something awesome to store under your bed, check out Benedetto Bufalino's eco-friendly, high-quality skateboards. Magnifico!